All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a pie chart so you can put that on your slideshow for your survey project. So now that you've surveyed your people and you've created your data slides and you need a summary slide that shows all the options, you're ready for your pie chart. And so what we're going to do is you can't actually make the pie chart in Google Slides. So we're going to make the pie chart in Google Sheets. So you open up Sheets and you can create a new sheet. Just click on the plus button and then new spreadsheet, and you can title it whatever you want. I guess I'll just title mine pie chart. And so up here in these cells, so each of these boxes is called a cell, you can title what your options are. So let's say my survey is what's your favorite color? I'm going to put my options over here. So red, let's just say red and blue and green and yellow and purple are my options. Okay, they could be whatever your options are. Remember, you have to have 4 to 5, so you don't even need to have the fifth option here. What you're going to do underneath of these cells is you're going to put how many people voted for it. So after you tally that up on your survey sheet, you can put it down. So we're doing 40 this year at least. So I'm going to put just some random numbers. So we'll say 8 and let's say 12. And then we'll have 9 and 2 and, well, that doesn't make sense because it'll be 9. It goes to 3 and then 8. That should give me 40 total. Okay. So now I'm ready for my pie chart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the cells that I typed in, including the titles on the top, red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and the numbers below them. And I'm going to click the plus button up here on the top right, and I'm going to click chart. And I don't want it to be a bar graph, so I'm going to click on where it says type, and I'm going to select pie chart, which you can see the one here that's colored like this. Okay. And then I can click the left arrow, the back arrow, and I can create it or make it so it has a legend. So you're going to want it to have a legend so people know which option is which. And I'm just going to click the one that says bottom. That puts it on the bottom for you. Just nice and simple. And then I'm going to, I can title the slide or the pie chart if I want to. Of course, you can also title it on your slides. So you don't have to do that. I can also, this is important, I can change the colors to whatever I want the colors to be as well. So for example, if I'm doing a survey on what's your favorite color, it doesn't make sense to have the number of people who voted for red blue. That doesn't make sense. So I can switch all these colors and make them different shades of that color as well. So red, blue, we'll make blue, blue, and we'll make green, green. Whatever, I guess we have different shades there. And then I'll make yellow, yellow, and purple, I'll make purple. And then I can click the check mark button on the top left, and it's going to put that pie chart in. And what's cool is that if something happens, I made a mistake, I need to change the numbers. When you change the numbers on the spreadsheet, they're automatically going to change on your pie chart as well. So if I messed up and typed 8 people with red, and I meant to type in, let's say, 28, which wouldn't make sense here. When I type in 28 and click off of that, you can see it's going to change. There's a lot more people with red now. So let's go ahead and I can hit the undo button and change that. But you can change these numbers if you need to, if you accidentally miscounted without having to redo your pie chart. It's just automatically going to update. And then to put it in Google Slides, you can zoom in, maybe a little too far, and just take a screenshot of that. And then you can edit that or crop that screenshot. And then once you have it saved to your camera roll, you can upload that picture into your Google Slides. So that's how you create your pie chart and put it into Google Slides. You can change these colors to whatever you'd like them to be. And if you're doing a different survey and there's a color that specifically goes with your particular option, you can mess with those all you'd like to. So that's how you create a pie chart on Google Sheets and insert it into Google Slides.